Hi, my name is Ron Bean at the Porsche Exchange. I'm a service experience specialist here. I'm also a 28-year Porsche Club of America member. I'm also a regional and national Concours Judge. And part of my participation in our 993 4S restoration project is preparing the car for full Concours. I've participated in PCA Concours for about 20 years, winning the region a couple times and getting trophies at parade as well. I've been in a preservation class, not preparation, but preparation is condition and cleanliness of all parts in the total car. So once we're done with the restoration of the car, it'll also be Concours-ready. While we've completed every possible aspect of the restoration in-house, we've reached out to some valued vendors for assistance in completion on the 993 4S. The Ultimate Paint Shop is our go-to body shop, and they recently finished repainting both the front and rear bumpers and did an excellent job as usual. Crown Customs and Coatings perfectly handled the powder coating of the engine fan, which will help ensure the engine bay looks Concours-ready. We at the Exchange are proud of what we're doing with the 993 C4S restoration in terms of building a car that will have performance enhancements, and along with that we're also bringing added value with a full Concours restoration of the vehicle as well. So in terms of a preparation class at Porsche Parade, you might see this car down the road, but hopefully over the next couple months you can see it as it makes its debut.